Good morning, children. In today's session, we will complete the remaining grammar part in lesson 11, Bhima and the Demon. So, all of you open page 135 in the textbook. Before starting the class, once I will explain about collective nouns through beautiful pictures. See children, collective nouns are the names given to group of people, animals or things. Okay? For example, a soldier, army of soldiers. Here army collective noun. A dancer, troop of dancers. Troop is collective noun. A fish, school of fish. School is collective noun. Lion, pride of lions. Pride collective noun. Star, so many stars. Cluster of stars. Cluster is collective noun. A flower, so many flowers. Bouquet of flowers. Bouquet is collective. Thief, so many thieves. Gang of thieves. Gang is collective noun. Bee, so many bees. Swarm of bees. Swarm is collective noun. Stick, so many sticks. Bundle of sticks. Bundle is collective noun. Sheep, so many sheep. Flock of sheep. Flock is collective noun. So children, now coming back to page 135 in the textbook. I hope all of you understood what is collective noun. Okay. Here we have some blanks. By using exercise A, collective nouns, fill these following blanks. Understood? See first here. A dash of birds was flying home at sunset. Birds, collective noun children, flock. A group of birds called flock. Okay? Next one. Kiran gave Rani a of beautiful flowers for her birthday. Flowers, group of flowers is called collective noun bunch. Bunch of flowers. Okay? The tourist on the safari saw a pride of lions hunting deer. See children, lions, so many lions together we call pride. This is a collective noun of lions. Okay? Pride of lions. Next one, there is a bowl of fruits on the table. Fruits, so many fruits on the table we call bowl. Bowl of fruits. Bowl is collective noun. Okay? Next one. There was a school of tiny shiny fish in the aquarium. See children here. Fish. Fish collective noun. School. Okay? School of tiny shiny fish. Next one. The magician showed us tricks using a pack of cards. Cards collective noun. Pack. Pack of cards. Okay? These are all collective nouns children. Understood? A group of animals or things together called a collective noun. Understood? Now moving on to next one. Here we have a beautiful story. Take turns to read this story aloud in class. So now I'll explain this story with animations. Once a terrible demon lived in a forest near a village. His name was Bakasura. See children, he is Bakasura. Okay. Bakasura was scary and had very sharp teeth. Every day he ate a cart full of food and one person from the village. Early next morning, Bhima left, pushing the cart loaded with rice, milk, vegetables, fruit and sweets. When Bhima reached the forest, he did not find Bakasura anywhere. So, he sat down in the shade of a tree. Soon, he felt hungry and started eating the fruits. Then, he ate the rice, the vegetables and the sweets. When Bakasura came, Bhima had eaten up all the food. Bakasura was very angry. He rushed towards Bhima and began to hit him. "How dare you eat my food?" he roared. "I am hungry." "I too was hungry and you came late," said Bhima, smiling. A great fight started. Bakasura threw big trees at Bhima, but Bhima caught them and threw them away. After fighting for a long time, Bhima killed Bakasura and tied him to the cart with a rope. Bhima killed Bakasura and tied him to the cart with a rope. He returned to the village. All the villagers were very happy that Bakasura was dead. Now see children, coming back to page number 136. Here we have some sentences. Identify these sentences as true or not true. Okay? T stands for true, NT stands for not true. Hidimba and Hidimba were demons who lived in the forest. Yes, this sentence was true. T. The Pandavas were very tired. Yes, this statement is correct. True. Bhima went to sleep under a tree. No, he went to eat the food under a tree. So that's why this is not true. Hidimba saw 3 people under the banyan tree. This is also not correct. Not true. Hidimba asked Bhima to leave the forest. Yes, the demon asked the Bhima to leave the forest. True. Okay. So that's all for today's session children. Read and write today's grammar work in textbook, lesson 11, Bhima and the Demon. Okay? Thank you everyone.